so you guys may remember my July/August Earfleek video that I recently did. Well, it turns out that should have just been titled July. It turns out that when I had emailed Earfleek that my July earrings had arrived broken, they not only sent one replacement pair, they sent two. So if you did see that previous video, the earrings that you did see in that video were both for July. I figured it was July and August combined, simply because we were already in August and they're always on top of their game, and they like to send out, you know, their packages like shortly after they take the money out of your account. So anyways, I had just gotten a email, stating that I had a package from Earfleek that was on its way to me. So it turns out this is actually my August earrings. So just keep that in mind. I know it's really confusing because the last video that went up this month is actually the July earrings, and I was totally confused, didn't realize what was going on until this came. So with that being said, here is the July. I keep saying July. Here is my August 2018 earrings from Earfleek. Now, if you're not a member of this monthly subscription, it's about $3.74 a month. Super cheap. You get to pick basically what kind of style, like boho, or if you want like more classic, or if you kind of just don't care. Now the styles that I get are more aligned with boho. I did try like the I don't care, kind of whichever way you kind of want to throw them at me before, but I think that the boho is more my style. The earrings are more my style. I prefer like the longer dangly earrings versus studs, even though I have my ears pierced 7 times. But for me and my style, I prefer the longer earrings, the ones that are kind of out there and different, I guess you could say. So with that, let's get on to this. And see, the packaging is pretty cute. So now, unlike the last video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you like what came in this. So this comes in every single one. And it just says, hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling. Share your new look for a chance to win a year free. And then it gives the hashtag Earfleek. And then it comes with an exclusive to Earfleek makeup artist course, which is what this is. And then these are my actual earrings. So they always come in this little packaging, which is great because it keeps your earrings protected. And most do not arrive damaged like mine did for July. Out of the almost year I've been with Earfleek, that was the first pair of earrings that I ever had damaged. So this is the back, which came separate. They're little butterfly backs. And these are my earrings for this month. And I am in love with them. They are so my style. They're totally cute. I just am so in love. So, like I said, I have my ears pierced. That's what they would look like on. My ears are really stubborn, so it takes me a bit to get my earrings in, but you will see me wear these in other videos. So, and I like it because these are kind of like dark and kind of matches my Jurassic Park shirt. So, and yes, this is totally a boys shirt and I don't care because I love it. So yeah, these are so cute though. Usually Earfleek never disappoints, and they are so totally worth it every single month. Like I said, the shipping is super fast. Their customer service is wonderful. They got back to me when I sent the picture of my broken earrings in less than 24 hours. I mean, they were on top of it. like it was a weekend when I had gotten my broken earrings. And seriously, I think it was like either that Saturday or it was the Monday. I don't remember. But those earrings were in the mail. And I had gotten them so fast. So like I said, if you're into earrings and cute accessories like this, I would totally recommend checking them out. I will put a link to their website in my description box. And then you can go check it out, see if it's something that you guys would like. I think it's totally worth it. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and let this video go. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I have some other stuff coming up. It's not just a makeup channel, so remember that. I just have had a lot of makeup stuff and a couple PR things that have came through that I needed to get videos out for. Also, I have my desk set up now. My background is kind of getting there, so look for tutorials. Craft stuff will be coming. So yeah, I think that's about it. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.